Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and this is Araceli Chan DIY, where you do it your damn self, because why pay more when you can make it for less? I know a lot of people were missing my introduction, so I decided to add it back in there. If this is your first time here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. I would love to invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Before I get into this video, I do want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Blush and Bar. So because my nails can't always look pretty and on par, I decided to distract you with some bling that was sent to me by Blush and Bar. Blush and Bar is a fine jewelry company. Blush and Bar actually has very nice jewelry. They have earrings, necklaces, rings. They have lifetime warranty on it. Every piece is individually made. They have quite a selection if you have a preference of what metal you like. They do have silver, gold, rose gold, and they are actually going to be giving you guys a discount. So I'm going to go ahead and link that discount code down below along with a link to their website. So after this video is done, make sure you guys head on over there and check out their selection and use your coupon code that I'm linking below. I already said that. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys two super easy Anthropologie inspired DIYs. Everything's from Dollar Tree. So to start out, you are going to be needing one of these metal wreath rings. Just to save some time, I went ahead and spray painted it with this Krylon in brilliant gold. It's not... Did it focus? It focused and then unfocused me. So for both DIYs, you will need one of these and then also one of these gold colored floral wires. For the first DIY, you will need also one of these tin flower planters and then also some just a stem of greenery. Whatever you decide to do, this is what I'm going to be doing. For the second one, you're going to need two of these little pots. Depending on what size you want to make it, I think they come in a pack of 3 for the Dollar Tree. These are just some that I had left over. And then also just some more greenery, whatever you decide to do. If you want to use succulents, whatever, I'm just going to use this because this is all stuff that I already had in my stockpile. So I didn't have to go out and buy anything, which makes it so much better. I will also be using some acrylic paint in white. I'm also going to be using some of this reindeer moss and just a piece of floral foam. And again, all this stuff I already had, minus this. I did actually have to go buy this still. Alright, you guys, so the first DIY was inspired by this guy right here. I honestly don't know what size it is, but whatever size it is, it's way too expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate that for you on a budget. Tell you guys that I took the handles off of this and I just used some of my needle nose pliers to take it right off. It did create a hole, which is perfectly fine because I am going to need that set hole. So, you know, it worked out. So for this one, I'm going to be needing the very outer ring, so it's going to be the largest one. So I'm going to go ahead and open it like that. And then taking my needle nose pliers right at the end, I'm just going to bend it in like that. And I'm going to take the floral foam and just stuff it right in there. And when I do that, it puts some pressure to where it's going to make it to where it's going to change the shape. So instead of it being round, it's going to be kind of oval. So it'll be more prone to be flush to the wall than like rounded and sticks out. DIY, you guys, is inspired by this look. Again, I don't know what size it is. I don't whatever size it is, doesn't matter. Too expensive. I'm gonna make it on my own on a budget. I feel like I already said that. I think I did. So I took the 2 inner rings of the wreath. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little pot here and I'm gonna straighten this out as best as I can. Alright, so it makes it a little bit easier if you don't have the other one already on there, and it minimizes the ugliness of the glue if you just do it like this. So here is that final look on these, and I went ahead and added some twine to hang them. Forgot about that part. You can use rope, you can use whatever you want, but I wanted to make it as similar as the one to Anthropologie. So I do have my two hanging, whatever these are called. So it's a nice little set. One of them is bigger, the other one's smaller, but I think these came out super cute, and they're super easy to make and inexpensive. For the 3 DIYs, you're gonna spend a total of like $8 compared to, I don't know how much. I think the bigger one was like over $100 and some odd dollars, which is ridiculous. And for this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and hang it with like a hanging hook or something. So I really like this one. I may add just a little more greenery just to fill it up, but you know, sometimes less is more. I don't know. What do you guys think? So tell me which one was your favorite in the comments down below. That's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. And then also any comments or questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to take your discount code to Blush and Bar to get your fun jewelry. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Thank you.